What is up, guys? I'm about to go on a quick little e-bike ride. It's about to drain pretty bad, it looks like, so I got here quick. We're just gonna dip out of the apartment complex. If you hear some rattling metal, it's this little phone holder I had. I got a shitty one. Kinda regret that. But my bike's probably like 60-70% charged right now, so I'm just going on a little ride. It is actively drizzling, so the new controller is waterproof, and my battery should be mostly waterproof. Ooh, yeah, that storm looks not good. You can see this thing quickly will pop the front end up. I just don't know how to wheelie well enough, but it will easily pop the front end up. That's about full throttle with my current tune. It's ridiculous. If y'all are debating building or buying one of these 72-volt bikes, whether it be a Surron or a Stealth Bomber, I just so strongly recommend it. This stuff's so fun. Oh, look at that giant rainstorm. It's beautiful though. The rain's kind of weird. It's like it's getting stronger and then it gets weaker again, so I'm just gonna ride till I can't anymore. But yeah, I want to show you how easily this thing pops up the front wheel, even on this tin. Like, it seriously just pops it right up. I'm too scared to ride it all the way back to the balance point because I don't know how to do that yet, but it'll pop right back. I think I'll do maybe like a wheelie tutorial once I learn, or a wheelie compilation once I can learn how to do them. I'm so comfortable with the concept. I just, in reality of getting back to the balance point, I get scared almost every time. I don't go all the way back. This is a perfect little parking lot to learn though. It's starting to get kind of bad, so I might head back. On this thing is just insane. I really can't imagine going to 96 volts. 72 is already just so crazy. And I'm hauling ass. watch though. So this is just gonna be my front 4-piston Diore. But look at this thing. I mean, it pulls you to a stop quickly. That's just that one brake. So I strongly recommend those. And it's still the Chinese brake lever. It's just a Shimano front caliper. Oh, yeah, okay. I think I need to be moving faster, regardless. I really want to rip this skate park, but I don't want to get in trouble. But no one's there. I think I can rip it. Alright, that's enough skate park. It's fun though. I wish I had a little bit more confidence to do crazier stuff, but still fun. Alright guys, that'll probably be the end of this short little ride video because it looks like it may start coming down here. But thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content with this bike and more stuff with the fardriver controller tuning.